Alright, so I also want you to do this capitalization worksheet. So underline the words that need to be capitalized. On the line below each sentence, type the sentence correctly using capitalization. So here's your example. On Sunday, my family will go eat at Olive Garden. Now, the O in on needs to be capitalized because it starts off the sentence. The capital letter S for Sunday needs to be because it is a proper noun. My family will go eat at Olive Garden is also capitalized because it is a proper noun. So number 1. We've also done this one for you. My friend David liked the story very much. We underlined my, and in case you don't know how to do that, we clicked right here. Then we underlined David because the M in my, see here, needs to be capitalized, and the D in David needs to be capitalized. So you're going to do the same thing here for number 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now I'll go ahead and read them in case that helps you. Number 2 says, we will go to Target in the evening. Number 3, when I was little, my favorite holiday was Christmas. Number 4, Mike, Tony, and Chris like to play basketball at the park. Number 5, I have a dentist appointment on Thursday. Number 6, can we go to Six Flags for Halloween on Saturday? Number 7, my birthday is on April 7th, and I will turn 8. Number 8, my cousin lives in Texas. Number 9, Dr. Thomas put a cast on Preston's broken arm. Number 10, Miss H gave us a book for Valentine's Day. Again, you're just going to underline the words that need to be capitalized and then type the sentence with the words that you underlined capitalized correctly underneath.